Hi everyone, I am Adam Khoo, co-founder of Always Win System. This channel is created to share how we're able to constantly generate profit in stocks market through a systematic method. Do not forget to give us a like and subscribe our channel if you are interested in earning money through stocks trading and investment. Before I begin, I need to run through the disclaimer below. Trading stocks and other security involve risk. The risk of loss in stocks market can be substantial. The information presented in this video is not intended to be used as the sole basis of any investment decisions, nor should it be construed as advice designed to meet the investment need of any investor. All right, let's begin now. Let me open up my trading view. You all can follow me in trading view. I have been sharing the trading ideas for the past 2 years. So to how we select potential stocks to trade. We will utilize the stock screener that will help us filter out the stocks that are not meeting our criteria. Those that appear here will be the potential one. Here are 14 stocks that met our criteria. Of course, we're not able to trade all of these 14 stocks, but we can further shortlist the stock based on chart pattern and, most importantly, the price and volume interaction. I will go through the few stocks that currently having a good setup. First one will be TM. The most important is we only trade stage 2 stock. So how to identify this is a stage 2 stock? By identifying the two main line here, the red and the orange line. We are using the indicator MA50 and MA200. Whenever the MA50 cross over the MA200, this indicates the stock is entering stage 2. And if you can see the chart pattern, here is showing the lowest. And every time the stock go up, it correct to a higher low than previous. Here show there is 1, 2, 3, 4 higher low being formed. We have been monitoring this TM since it achieved stage 2 when the MA50 is crossing. Share this in our VIP group on 13th of August. TM has been in our watch list last week, and on 10th of August, it demonstrated a signal for us. That's why our entry is around here. This will be the perfect entry point with the volume as well. So let's see how this stock will proceed. And last week as well, you can see after it released the quarter report, good volume to come in, indicate there's a strong buy force. Next will be the Gamuda. Gamuda also in our list. Similarly, as I mentioned earlier, when MA50 cross MA200, this indicates the stock is entering stage 2. Here we do see a small VCP with the C1 contraction around 10% and C2 contraction around 2.8%. This will be our buy point. When it break out the C2, we share this in our VIP group as one of our stock pick, Gamuda, with a VCP on 17th of July. So it's somewhere around here. After that, the stock to attack up and break this primary trend line, which is a strong resistance. After it break through the resistance, it do correction back to test the resistance to become the support. And fortunately, last week, it do have a good volume and the price to step back up nearly a new high. Therefore, we are still looking forward on how Gamuda will develop next. Another stock that we would like to share is CFM, also having a good setup. We have been monitoring CFM since June, around this period, because we do observe that the stock starts to go to stage 2, entering stage 2, and it will form a higher low here. This is the buy point where the price break out this resistance here. This will be our buy point around 24th of June. We to share this on 18th of June in Telegram. And the stock to go up until like around 26% with good volume as well. After that, the stock experienced sell down due to quarter report is coming. And after the quarter report, if you can see the stock price develop again. And lately on 2nd of September, it to show it break out this resistance. So we're also looking forward to see what it will develop next. Another stock that would like to share is P-Trans. P-Trans we have been monitoring since June, 26th of June. This is one of our stock pick back then with a VCP development. Here to see a VCP with 3 contractions, C1, C2, and C3. And this is our first entry point on 27th of June where it break out the C3. After that, the price to attack and collection. And here, if you can observe, there is another VCP developing. And this day, after quarter report release, to break out and retest the support again. This is another entry point that we shared on August 26th, where we see there's a good volume and the price seems attempting to break out as well. We are anticipating to see what happens next. Last but not least, FIMA is another stock. Again, I want to emphasize only stage 2 stock. I will share more in our next video about what is the stage 4 stock looks like and how difficult to trade a stage 4 stock. Here, another big VCP, C1 with 25% contraction, C2 4.5%, and C3 around 7%. We do have a small cheap entry point here right after the QR release, the volume to come in on 26th of August. This will be our entry point. And we do share to our member on 13th of August to get them put this into the monitoring list. Back then we didn't trade because it close to the QR. We do not want to gamble for QR. So we wait until the QR and opportunities seems come to us and we make an entry here. That's all for today's topic. Do comment below if you guys need us to analyze any stocks. So we will cover it in our next video. Thanks and see you all again.